Jeremiah 31:25. For I have satiated the weary soul, and I have replenished every sorrowful soul. That's the message of the Lord for you, that you are not going to be sad anymore. You're going to be joyful and completely in a good emotions. And He's telling you to be joyful as always because God is with you. And that He will not leave you comfortless. He will comfort you as always and give you joy as always. That's all the words of God. Thanks for watching, and God bless you all.